There is a magical coating. Instantly refurbished after use. Suitable for stone, marble, quartz stone, ceramic tiles, solid wood furniture, cars, etc. Effectively solve the problem of whitening, lack of luster, scratches, etc. It's this German nano crystal plating agent. Very simple to use. Just apply it on the surface. Let dry in natural ventilation for 30 minutes. A layer of crystal protective film will be coated on the surface. High gloss after crystal plating. Water resistant, wear resistant, anti-fouling and anti-seepage, etc. Keep your home in new condition. New generation crystal plating technology. High-tech formula, safe and non-toxic. Once crystal plating, the effect can last for 3 to 5 years. If you want to renovate your home, please don't waste money on hiring a master. Using this nano crystal plating agent is more cost-effective. There is also a buy one get one free event today. Click the link below to purchase.